As I think about the horse and his nature of being a prey animal or a flight animal, I think of how strong that instinct for survival is in the horse, and how important it is for him when he feels threatened or bothered or afraid. His instinct and the way he survived for so many centuries is that he's been able to move his feet, he's been able to flee the scene if there's something bothering him or that he's afraid of. And that, again, is how he survived. He's been able to leave, he's been able to go, move his feet, get out of there. A lot of times people get into trouble with their horses, especially the green, the young, or the troubled, older even troubled horses. They try to confine them before the horse is comfortable going and knowing that he can go if he has to. And if the human is the one that's confining the horse, the human is the problem to the horse. If we tie the horse up prematurely, before he's really halter broke, before he's really broke to lead and follow us, we're risking teaching him to pull backwards. We're risking causing him to explode when he finally does move. If we tie him up and he doesn't know that he can move if he has to, when he does move, he could explode. And that horse may learn to pull backwards, and it may stick with him for the rest of his life. We see that way too often. I'm one who believes that we can avoid that pulling back issue completely with a horse if we understand this and respect and work with this need of his to be able to move when he's bothered or troubled. So if my horse is bothered, I might tell him that I'm here to help him move. He's got to move, I'll let him move. And to some degree, I might even help him move if he needs a little help to move. I don't want to become a part of the problem by asking him to move too much, but I'd like to help him get out of there and go and feel safe doing it. We can do this in a round pen, we can do this in an arena like this. We can do it on the end of the lead rope, say, man, if you're bothered, if you're stuck here, move. And speaking of stuck, a lot of times the horse will be standing there and you think he's perfectly fine, but are his feet stuck? Well, you can find that out, and we talk about this in the library, by asking him to go again. If he walks off calmly, well, he wasn't stuck, but if he kind of explodes, you'll know he was a little stuck. You might not want to get on him if he's like that, not yet. Anyway, so understand that. And so much of what we do in groundwork has to do with the horse moving his feet in a way that works for him and a way that works for us, while building trust in the horse and confidence in ourselves. We want this to be a confidence builder for you. We want this to be a confidence builder for the horse. So just a few things to think about there. And I hope you take them to heart and study up on this, and you'll learn and understand even more when you work with your horse on this.